Alright, so I wanted to try the LG dual inverter air conditioner down here. This is a 9500 BTU unit, and it cools the whole downstairs floor, which is a big area. It does a good job. It's very quiet and refined, but I still like the old line frequency units more, just because of the way they sound, and I'm not a huge fan of change. So the Samsung 10,200 BTU air conditioner is getting put back in, and I'll use this somewhere else eventually. But it was nice, you know, having this one in here, being able to control it over phone with the Wi-Fi thing. But I'm putting this one back in now.